Hey everybody, welcome back to the Thinking Crypto channel. I want to talk about Coinbase is halting XRP trading. Before we go further, please go ahead, hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you anything. Guys, Coinbase just tweeted the following. Given the SEC's recent action against Ripple, all XRP books have been moved to limit only, and Coinbase plans to fully suspend trading in XRP on Tuesday, January 19th, 2021 at 10 a.m. PST, Pacific Standard Time. Afterwards, users will continue to retain access to their XRP funds. So this is not a delisting like some people are saying. This is just simply a halting of the XRP trading. You can withdraw and deposit your XRP funds. And we're going to talk about if that affects your Spark tokens. So they said here, we will continue to support XRP on Coinbase Wallet and Coinbase Custody. Coinbase will continue to monitor legal developments related to XRP and update our customers as more information becomes available through the Coinbase support Twitter account. So once again, not a delisting, just a halting of trading, something we anticipated given the recent SEC Ripple lawsuit. So of course, other exchanges are going to follow suit, right? We already saw OkCoin today said the same thing. They are pausing or halting trading on January 4th, 2021 at 7 p.m. PST. Coinbase support responded to a question regarding, hey, are we going to get our Spark tokens, right? How does this impact it? Well, they said here, at this moment, Coinbase customers remain eligible for the previously announced Spark airdrop. More details about the Spark airdrop, including available jurisdictions and functionality, will be provided at a later time. So you will still be able to get your respective Spark tokens. That is not a problem. Obviously, they mentioned some stuff about jurisdictions. Probably certain states don't allow it, but we'll have to wait and see. Details to follow. Now, remember, guys, XRP, this situation only affects XRP in certain markets. There are markets like Japan, where SBI Holdings, a huge financial conglomerate, is invested in Ripple and bullish on XRP. They have pretty much said, hey, XRP is a crypto asset in Japan, not a security. So there's certain markets where there's clarity and this is not going to affect anything. And of course, XRP is global. It's in multiple exchanges. And obviously, we have to wait for this SEC lawsuit to be settled or whatever it is, thrown out, dismissed. But it's certainly going to, not be great in the short term. Long term, I think it's fine. I've said it before. It's going to get very messy in the short term. And I tweeted this, guys. This is one of the biggest shakeouts ever. And it's occurring right before our eyes. And that's what I believe based on my research. Even from the statements from Ripple's legal counsel, we've seen that there's no substance to it. And, in my video I uploaded earlier today, I talked about that, and even in statute of limitations, even the conflicting categorization from the FinCEN, which is another branch of the U.S. government that said XRP is a virtual currency, going back to 2015. So Ripple has some aces up its sleeve, and we'll see how this plays out. I also tweeted at Brad Garlinghouse asking for the 100th time for an interview and hoping that, look, I get it. There's probably not a lot they can really discuss. So I offered that Stuart Alderati, their general counsel, can join too. But it'll be great if they can answer some questions and talk about what the plan is moving forward. It'd be great to hear from them. So if you guys follow me on Twitter, please retweet this and let's hope, we can work something out and we can hear directly from Ripple. Now, on that same note, Elad Rossman, of course, as predicted when we heard last week, he's named the acting chairman of the SEC. The SEC tweeted this today around 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern, and leading to a press release on their site. And he is pro-crypto, but let's see what happens, right? If he just continues this respective lawsuit against Ripple, or he throws it out, or they work something out very fast, right, guys? So we'll see what happens. But obviously, the situation is not great for XRP. In fact, the price it is going down. Let me just pull it up here for you guys. It is certainly not looking good. Don't want to sugarcoat it. Right now it's at 23 cents, down 55.54% from a 7-day perspective, down near 19% from a 24-hour perspective. But like I said, I think this is one of the biggest shakeouts ever. And it is also why I personally diversified, which I've been telling you guys for years. I hold Bitcoin, I hold Ethereum. Those things are carrying my portfolio. I made money off Chainlink this year. And while I remain bullish on the long-term vision of what Ripple is trying to do with XRP, the short term is going to be messy as hell. And we'll see how things play out. Hopefully we can get a quick resolution here to this. And in January, we get this all sorted out. Whether it be Ripple pays a fine, XRP is a security, and we move forward, or it's thrown out, or Ripple wins the case, whatever it may be, whatever the outcome, things will progress, right? Even the other companies like Kick and so forth that have been sued by the SEC, they've come out of it and moved forward. The respective tokens have gone up in value, right? It's just a matter of getting through the situation. And, like I said, with Coinbase doing this, we can expect to see other exchanges, so don't be surprised. Whatever it is, Bittrex and Kraken and whoever else, they're all going to follow suit. So it's going to get messy. But once again, they are not delisting. There's a difference between delisting and halting trading. And you're going to see FUD going around, oh, Coinbase is delisting, killing XRP and all that. It's like, no, they're halting it until this thing is resolved. So that means they can flip the switch on right back on to have it trade again. And you can see they're still providing custody services. So they're not kicking it off the platform. Just those details, those nuances are so important because, of course, the people who hate Ripple or hate XRP are now going to start spreading and a lot of FUD, and they're going to embellish some of these things, right, by using terminology like delisting versus halting trading, right? A very big difference there, guys. If you guys were around for BitConnect and that scam, that was a delisting. They completely pulled it off, meaning nothing, right? Like, see ya, sayonara, hit the road, Jack, right? This is very different, and I think people are, once again, that hate Ripple and XRP are going to embellish. They're going to use some hyperbole and spread a lot of different untrue things, right? So just be aware of that, guys. Now, something I do want to talk about is switching gears a bit. We had covered the news of BlackRock's CIO, their chief investment officer, going on CNBC talking great about Bitcoin. They're seeing demand and so on and so forth. Well, look at this. Look at this headline. BlackRock seeks VP blockchain lead to drive demand for firm's crypto offerings. So essentially, they're going in, right? They're all in here, and they need the people. Right? They need the bodies to go out and start pitching BlackRock's respective crypto trading and custody services, right? So the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, is seeking to hire a vice president to help build and execute strategies and drive demand for the company's crypto and crypto-related offerings. BlackRock, which has $6.84 trillion of assets under management, has posted a job vacancy for a New York-based VP of blockchain to help with the valuation of crypto assets. Maybe I should apply for that job, guys. According to the Post, the applicant must have at least a year's experience in the technological foundations of blockchain technology, including cryptographic hash functions, distributed network consensus mechanisms, and public-private key cryptography. Candidates should be able to devise and articulate fundamental valuation methodologies, for the crypto assets, evaluate game theory and decentralizing governance models associated with blockchain technology, said the listing. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink recently made some bullish comments on Bitcoin, stating it has caught the attention of many people and that the nascent cryptocurrency asset class can possibly evolve into a global market asset class. Not possibly. It's already a global asset class. It's just a matter of it maturing. I said it on this channel ad nauseum. You can be in any country as long as you have internet access. You can participate in the asset class. You can go put $100 into Bitcoin, into Ethereum, XRP, VeChain, whatever, Litecoin. You can jump into it, right? There's no gatekeepers here, and it's all on the blockchain. So, guys, this is very, Very bullish news. Put your business thinking cap on here. If you're not seeing demand, if you're not trying to do anything, why would you be trying to hire these people, right? You bring in the talent to build out the respective division, to start going out and knocking on doors, making phone calls. Hey, we offer crypto trading services. Let us be your broker dealer. Let us help you be your investment advisor. And BlackRock, once again, trillions of assets under management. So they have a huge clientele pool already, right? So they're going to go out there and start pitching it to them, and of course to new customers. This is very bullish, guys. All of the big banks and Wall Street players are getting in. All of the hedge funds and investment firms. We've covered it. Every single one. The Mass Mutual buying $100 million in Bitcoin. Guggenheim Fund. All of these folks, Grayscale, Paul Tudor Jones, Bill Miller, Stanley Druckenmiller, all of them, right? The list goes on and on and on. They are all jumping into the market. So very, very bullish news, guys. I'm very excited for the future of this market. As stated, though, XRP, it's going to be messy in the short term. Very messy. It's going to be blood on the streets. So be prepared mentally. I'm not telling you what to do with your XRP. If you want to sell, you can certainly do that. If you want to hold, you can certainly do that. It's your decision. Do your research. Me personally, and I'm not giving financial or investment advice here, I'm holding. And guys, I just want to wrap it up to let you know, I have scheduled an interview with Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy. You guys may have seen my post earlier. If you have questions you would like me to ask him, leave them in the comment section. I wrapped up my interview with Rick Edelman today. So we talked about the SEC Ripple situation and many other things like a Bitcoin ETF and so on and so forth. So if you want to see that interview, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. The interview will be live tomorrow morning. So guys, leave your thoughts and comments below. What do you think is going to happen here with the Coinbase situation? Do you see XRP's price going down lower? Do you see other exchanges following suit? Let me know, and I'll talk to you guys later.